to the Ichimoku charts.com hourly analysis for the Aussie dollar US dollar FX for Tuesday, February 12th, 2013. Well, an uptrending market at the moment, looking at this final candle as it's developing, and we have a candle prior to that that has a higher high and a higher low, and this candle at the moment is forming as a fairly bullish candle and certainly ticking up at the moment. Looking at today's or the previous day's trading today, this is a new day, this current bar candle that's forming, and we saw the market begin trading down below the pivot point, the middle line here, and rallying fairly early in the day to find a resistance around the Tenkan-sen, and then selling off very strongly, attempting to rally once again in this second time frame downtrend that the market was in, finding resistance again at the Tenkan-sen, and then eventually finding support at the first area of support based on the pivot points. We saw fairly bearish candles when the market was trending down, and then this fairly bullish white body candle with the longish shadow on the bottom, highlighting the strong upside rejection from this market. The market then broke above the Tenkan-sen in a very bullish manner, suggesting that the trend was up in that short-term time frame. And then 2 hours later we saw the market trade bullishly up above the Kijun-sen, giving us a weak buy signal with the Ichimoku charts. A weak buy signal is a breakout up above the Kijun-sen from below the cloud, and obviously it's weak because the market will eventually interact with the cloud and find potential resistance there. For this candle, the market did find some resistance around the pivot point line and then sold off, but the buyers still had control of the market as that hour finished, and the market then continued with the trend to the upside, trading in a very bullish manner through the first pivot point level of resistance. It also coincided with the top of the cloud. Now that breakout above the cloud could be quite important to this market. This could highlight a strong change in sentiment in this market, and it is a buy signal in terms of Ichimoku charts and the long-term time frame. We saw the market attempt to rally through that level and then find support at the top of the cloud. The area that had potential to act as resistance is now acting as support, and that is very important for this market moving forward, and it does put a floor under the market for tomorrow's trading here as we move forward. As I've said, if we look at these type of candles here, very small body candles, does suggest that the sellers have lost any of the strength that they had early in the day. The buyers came in solidly and seem to be in control of this market at the moment. They did trade in a bullish manner above this important 103 level of resistance. It coincided with the pivot point resistance and the top of the cloud, and a bullish breakout above there gives us quite some confidence for this market to trade higher. Potential resistance around this 103.20 level if we do trade up to that level, so we do need to watch how the market reacts around there. But if the market can trade up through there, there is potential for the market to trade up to the first pivot point resistance level at around 103.40, and that will be potentially an area where we could see some selling coming in. If the market trades through there in a strongly bullish manner, we do have very strong resistance at 103.77. It's an important resistance level, and a level based on the second pivot point resistance here. To the downside, below 103, we have the cloud extending all the way down through the 102.78 level, and we have the pivot point level within the cloud there at 102.83, and just below there the first pivot point support level at 102.46. So very, very strong support in a region extending down to 102.78. So moving forward, this market is bullish at the moment, trading above all three Ichimoku indicators. There is good potential for this market to rally and test up to the 103.20 level. If we see bullish trading up through there, a good possibility of the market trading up to 103.40.